Welcome everyone. In this quick tutorial, we will see how you can register and submit your projects to the Hedera Africa Hackathon. So first of all, make sure you are logged in on Dora Hacks, of course, and then search for Hedera Africa Hackathon. Here it is. Now you need to register as a hacker. This is really the first step. So just click on register as a hacker and provide some basic info about yourself and your projects. For the projects, it's just about asking you if you already have a bidder on Dora Hacks or not, or you are in the process of making it. So you can just click on no and keep on providing this basic info about yourself. A short description about yourself, your skill sets, interests, something like that. This is just for your profile. After doing this, you can submit your projects. So I'll get back to the first page. Here it is. Now you can click on Submit Bidder, create a new bidder, and then you provide the name of your project, the logo, and so for the vision is just a short description about what your project aims to do. There will be a document I'll provide on Discord with all the details on how to fill all these informations and much more, so don't worry. Just keep following this tutorial to know the important steps. So after providing the basic and the first batch of information about your projects, like you are seeing me doing here, you choose the layer 1. Okay, for layer 2, app chains, all of that are optional. This bidder and AI agents. Okay, now you can provide the link to your GitHub. And talking about GitHub, your GitHub repo, the demo video, all of that. So for GitHub, something important is make sure your repo is not an organization repo, okay? It's just a classical mono repo, a public one. This is very important. And the fact that it's not an organization is very important too. So just a classical, normal mono repo. And in it, you can put your backend in a folder, your smart contracts in a folder. It's like you want. You organize it like you want, but just make sure it's not an organization repo on GitHub. Okay? So it's just a plain, simple mono repo with everything about your project in it. This is the way to organize your projects. This is an important thing. There are many other things like the README and all of that, but for this you can check the document. I will share it with you. You will find the link to it on Discord. You'll find the whole document on Discord, but how to access it, you will find it in this very page where you are seeing this video. So in the submission guides of our hackathon on Dora Hacks. Okay, so provide the link to your project. And then if you have a link to your project website, this is optional. For the demo video, you can provide a short demo video about your project. Like I told you, all of this information will be shared in the document in details. You can take a look here. I just show you how it's organized on this video. Like for the team members must not exceed 7, about the certification, about the project description, how to write project description, the GitHub repository, how it must be. Remember, it shouldn't be an organization repo. What else? The demonstration video, which is very important. This is not optional, by the way. This is mandatory, how you can organize it and everything, the pitch deck, all the details will be there. For the social links, you can just provide one, like LinkedIn if you want, or anything. This is your personal social media link, or if you made one about your project. Anyway, here you can put all the details about your projects. So it's not like the vision, it's really all the details. Okay, if you are in a team, you can invite your team members here by typing their pseudo. They have to be registered on DoraHacks. And then please provide information about your team, like your title and what you are doing on this project, like your skill set, and provide this for all your team members. Remember, it must not exceed 7 members. Okay, and then, okay, this is for DoraHacks. It's just for them. It's for the DoraHacks staff to contact you if they need to. So just provide a Telegram. If you don't have a Telegram, just write nothing there. Okay, now you have to select a track for your projects. And then if you are still searching for teammates, you can put it to yes there. And then, okay, this is some custom questions which are very important. You have to put the link to your pitch deck. Make sure it starts with HTTPS, HTTPS, and then the certification link of your teammate. And if you are joining solo, just put your certification link. Okay, what else? Yeah, if you have a document supporting your project, you can put the link there. And this is very important, the testnet account ID and private key. What we mean by that is you have a wallet on Hashback. Of course, it's not on mainnet, it's on testnet. So it's virtual money, not even true to say virtual. It's money which doesn't have a real value. So this is testnet, and you have to provide the account ID and private key. It's for judges to be able to interact with your project. Okay, let's get back to this document. Like I told you, I'll provide this document on Discord. You can find the steps to take this document and download it and everything. It's like you want. You will find it on Discord, and the steps will be here in the submission guide. So good luck to everyone, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to me.